Mailchimp automated emails to new subscribers. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can send automated emails to new subscribers on your mailing list using Mailchimp. So let's get into it now. Mailchimp is a email marketing software where you just have to sign up with your email and your first name. Now after you have signed up on Mailchimp, this is going to be your basic dashboard, and on your basic dashboard you're going to find some of your web performance if you have a website and all of your general account details. Now on your left you have your navigation bar where you have your create section, then you have your audience, then you have your campaigns, you have automations, you have websites, then you have your content studio, your integrations, and your search, and below that you have your general account settings. Now let's say you have new emailing list people, so let's say you go into your audience list, you add different contacts, and then you want to add a automated email to everyone that adds to your contact or create or signs up for this sign up or interacts with a social post. So if you want to create a customized and simple automated email, you can easily do that with Mailchimp, and I'm going to show you how. So first off, let's say that you create a sign-up form. So you're just going to click on create form, and then it can be a pop-up form. It's going to be on Jane Doe Inc. You're going to click on begin, and then these people are going to sign up on your website or whatever platform you're using. I already have a Mailchimp website, so I'm just going to add the Mailchimp pop-up form to the website that I already have, and then I'm just going to click on edit. I'm going to enable the pop-up form like this. And then once I have done that, I am just going to click on save and exit. And now my pop-up form has been added. Now, the second thing you need to do is to create your customer journey. So how to create a automated email. The first thing you need to do is click on the create section over here. And you can start off by creating your first email. So if you want, you can spend more time on creating your email and the kind of email that you want. I would suggest go with the template. Just click on template over here, click on get started, pick out a template, customize it, and then start your customer journey from there or your emailing journey from there, because the templates provided by Mailchimp are pretty great. They're pretty nice and simple to understand, and you're going to be able to find a very large variety of designs. So let's say that we just have a basic welcome email, or we have a basic postcard. So let's keep on looking until I find a template that I actually like. I'm going to keep it simple and use the basic event newsletter, or the event template. So I'm going to open this up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to automate my email. So you can spend some time on the design of the template. You're going to add different blocks, and you can change styles from over here. You just have to drag and drop the blocks that you want. So if you want to add a new text section, you're just going to drag the header go onto the block section, drag the text over here, and then you can add another text block over here. But I'm just going to click on save and exit because I'm just using this as a sample automation sample, and I'm just going to save this. I have done that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to my automation section. Now I'm just going to click on automation over here, and you're going to go onto your customer journeys. And now what you can do is you're going to click on create journey over here, and now you're going to create a map of your contacts journey. So the first thing you need to do is create the name for this entire automation. So if this is a welcome automation, so I'm just going to name this as a automation example, so it's easier for you guys to understand how you're going to set this up. But this is just going to be the automation example, and I'm going to choose the starting point. So what is going to be the starting point for this to happen? Now, there are many different sections on your left over here, and it could be a contact activity, it could be date and special events, it could be shopping activity, it could be marketing activity, or it could be API and integrations. Because this is a event notification, I'm going to click on the contact activity, and maybe when someone signs up, I want to always offer them this event. I'm going to click on include imported contacts, and I'm going to click on save the signing up point or the starting point. So every time someone signs up to become my audience on the pop-up form that I created, so what it should trigger is the email that I want. So I'm just going to click on send email. You're going to drag and drop it over here. So you're going to find it on your left side. You're going to drag, and you have the send email section. You can drag it over here. So every time someone signs up, they are going to get this event email. And then what I can do is get a time delay. So after a time delay, I'm going to drop this over here, and I'm going to add my time delay, and let's say after 5 days they get another email regarding the event or as a reminder. It's going to add this over here, and then I can add a if else block as well. So if I add a if else block like this, now if the contact is, let's say if they open up, or let's say if they did not open up the email for the last 5 campaigns, so if they don't open up the email, what I can do is I can send them a discount email, and I can send that over here, or what I can do is I can unsubscribe them as well. So you can choose how you want to build your journey from here on out, depending on what kind of business you are running and what kind of automation you're looking for. But it's pretty simple and easy to set these categories, and the if else block is the most important in your automation. So if you're able to get that correctly, so if it matches any of these conditions, if the campaign activity is not monitored, or let's say if the email client is a iPhone user, maybe I want to provide them with a special discount for Apple products, or if they're not, then I can provide them with a special discount for Android products or Windows products. So you can add those conditions, and what you're going to do is once you have done this, you have created your own automated email. So this is how easy it is to set up your own automated emails using Mailchimp. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to send emails automatically using Mailchimp. However, there is one drawback, is that the email automation function on Mailchimp is not available for free. So if you go onto the pricing section of Mailchimp, you're going to find that the Mailchimp domain, website builder, forms and landing pages, all of that stuff is free, but for the actual custom journey builder or email automation, you actually have to sign up for at least the essentials version, which starts at $10. Usually you can find discounts, but currently it's selling for $10, and you're gonna be able to only send automated emails via this package of Mailchimp. We are about to end this video, and to end it on a good note, I would like to request you guys that if you found this video helpful, or if you found this method exactly what you wanted or what you were looking for, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing it with your friends and family who might learn a thing or two from this video, or learn a thing or two from the hundreds of videos that we have on our channel. And of course, if you have any questions, any queries about anything in this video or related to our entire channel or any of our videos, make sure to leave a comment down below and ask us what you want from our videos. I tried to cover everything I could in this video, but if you want to see more details of the methods or the ways in this video, just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to make more videos on your suggestions. At the end of the day, it's all about providing you guys with valuable content that could help instill a positive change in your life, and hopefully your friend and family's life as well. And at the end, I would like to request you to make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as it helps out our videos a lot. And again, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, goodbye.